and they're off. Early lead is taken by Matter of Honor by Darrell Doomstead on the outside, moving up to grab the lead. It is now Doomstead in the lead, followed by entry number 1, Matter of Honor. My Bukas Pa on the outside, Gray Magic and Sharp Cookie. At the mid-back stretch, it's Matter of Honor by Darrell Doomstead on the outside, My Bukas Pa, a very close third on the outside, moving up on the inside, Gray Magic and Sharp Cookie. Nearing the pattern, it's still Matter of Honor by a length and a half, followed by entry number 4, Doomstead on the outside, My Bukas Pa on the father outside in third, moving up on the inside, it's Gray Magic. Rounding the pattern, it's still Matter of Honor in the lead. It's Matter of Honor moving up on the inside, Gray Magic. My Bukas Pa moving up on the father outside to take second. And Doomstead, the last bend for home. Matter of Honor by the rail. My Bukas Pa on the outside. And moving up on the inside, Gray Magic. Doomstead on the father outside. But it's still Matter of Honor in the lead, followed by My Bukas Pa on the outside. Doomstead, Gray Magic. And nearing the payoff line, it's Matter of Honor by the rail. My Bukas Pa moving up on the outside. My Bukas Pa on the outside, Matter of Honor, Doomstead on the father outside, and finally, it's My Bukas Pa, Doomstead, Matter of Honor, Gray Magic, Sharp Cookie.
5-4-1